we divide 595 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get Jeff. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get Jeff. So 595 divided by 5 is 190. So this much for today and thanks for watching.